We'll guide you through how to fix your mic not working on a PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when your mic isn't working, as then you can't go and speak to people or maybe go and record something. We've got some different fixes you can try. Come to the bottom right of the computer and go and right click on the sound icon and press sound settings. Scroll down to input, make sure the correct input is selected. After that is selected, you want to scroll down and try increasing the volume. If it's set all the way down or even muted, that's why it isn't working. So try muting it and increasing the volume. If the microphone isn't showing up here, what you should try doing is unplugging it and replugging it. And what you can then also do is go down and click more sound settings. You'll go and get this pop-up. Press recording and make sure the mic isn't currently disabled. For example, this stereo mix here, if I go and right click on it, I can enable it. When you go and enable it, it should then go and appear in here and you can select it. And hopefully it's now working as you've gone and successfully selected it. What you could also do is come down to advanced, find the option for troubleshoot common sound problems and press input devices and go and troubleshoot it. Hopefully that solves it.